Welcome to the Registering for Courses portion of MyGC training. In the Student Planning and Registration tile, we will look at the Plan and Schedule portion. From this calendar view, we can use the arrows here to change the specific term we look at. On a term where we have a course or courses planned, we can click View Other sections on a specific course. This displays all of the available times to take this course on the calendar. Each course section will have specific details about the date, time, and location of the course. When we find a suitable course section to register for, we can click directly on the listing. What pops up are more details about the course section. To add this course section to our calendar, we can click the Add Section button. Please note that any online course, because it does not have a physical location, will appear below the calendar. When we add a section to our degree plan, a Register Now button appears. Clicking it will register you for any course sections added to the calendar. If it is grayed out and not clickable, preventing us from registering, we can visit the Welcome Desk or Advising Department to begin resolving whatever prevents us from registering.